Reversing and parallel parking can be tricky, but with the right technique, you can master them with confidence. In this video, we'll show you a step-by-step guide to reversing and parallel parking safely. Let's start with reversing. Before moving, always check your surroundings. Before reversing, check your rear view and side mirrors. Look over your shoulder to ensure no obstacles are behind you. Gently press the gas while keeping your hands steady on the wheel. Turn the wheel slightly in the direction you want to go. If you need to correct your direction, make small steering adjustments. Stop if necessary to check your surroundings. Once you're in the right position, come to a complete stop before shifting into drive. Now let's move on to parallel parking. First, align your car next to the front vehicle, leaving about 2 feet of space. Now let's move on to parallel parking. First, align your car next to the front vehicle, leaving about 2 feet of space. Turn your steering wheel towards the curb while slowly reversing. Keep checking your mirrors and blind spots. When your car is at a 45-degree angle, straighten your wheel and keep reversing slowly. If needed, make slight adjustments to center your car between the lines. And that's it! You've successfully parallel parked! Practice makes perfect. Keep practicing in an empty parking lot until you feel confident. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more driving tips.